Welcome to wallcurtains.com. Today, we're talking about how to choose the perfect fabric for your furniture. Whether you're updating an old piece or buying a new one, picking the right fabric is key to making your space both stylish and comfortable. Now, let's dive in. 1. Consider your lifestyle. Start by thinking about your lifestyle. Do you have kids, pets, or a busy household? If so, durability is crucial. Fabrics like microfiber or leather are great for high-traffic areas. For a more luxurious feel in a quieter space, consider velvet or silk. 2. Know your fabric options. Let's go over some popular fabric types. Cotton is breathable and comfy, but may wear out quickly. Linen has a stylish texture but wrinkles easily. Wool is durable and warm, ideal for colder climates. Synthetic fabrics like polyester and acrylic are budget-friendly and offer good durability. 3. Choose the right color and pattern. Once you've selected a fabric type, it's time to think about color and pattern. Neutrals are versatile and timeless, while bold colors can make a statement. Also, consider the size of the room. Lighter colors can make a space feel larger, while darker tones can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. 4. Comfort and care. Finally, consider how the fabric feels and its maintenance needs. Choose a fabric that feels good and is easy to maintain. Visit a store and touch the fabrics, see how they feel against your skin. Also, check if it's easy to clean or requires special care. This can save you time and effort in the long run. Choosing the right fabric is all about balancing style, comfort, and durability. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision that you'll love for years to come. Visit wallcurtains.com for more home decor tips and a wide selection of quality fabrics. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell for more home improvement tips and ideas.